In the event that you're searching for land exemplary cost expectations/estimate for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to explicitly know where the costs of land exemplary, LUNC, will in a real sense go later on in a significant manner. We will investigate the sort of past costs of land genuinely exemplary, LUNC, and we'll figure out what specialists in a real sense are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble, for the most part remember that you really want to take this expectation and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market master/examiners. Also, foreseeing something so amazing most certainly is totally inconceivable. Be that as it may, we will make an honest effort. We should begin, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Land exemplary genuinely past value examination. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of land especially exemplary generally is $0.00012606 and Lunc by and large is presently certainly position number 64 in the kind of whole crypto-biological system. The dissemination supply of land exemplary is 5,900,648,872,650 with a market cap of $743,840,492. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the land exemplary's cost has shown a decent increment of 1.74% in the sort of most recent 24 hours. From most recent 7 days the Lunc was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 2.76%. Land pretty exemplary has shown areas of strength for extremely potential of late and this could be excellent chance to dive right in and truly put resources into an unobtrusive way. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Lunc truly diminished by minus 27.048%. Dispensing with an incredible really normal amount of $0.00004674 from its ongoing worth, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a decent for the most part purchase a potential open door for speedy venture. The 90 days cost change generally is near minus 2.73% and the cost circled from a base typical cost of $0.00012740 to most extreme normal cost of $0.00013900 in the especially beyond 90 days. In opposition to mainstream thinking, land fundamentally exemplary truly is somewhere near minus 23.37% with the greatest typical cost of the coin really was around $0.00016090 and the base typical cost of basically was around $0.00014770 in essentially beyond 4 months. We foresee future land exemplary cost expectations/Lunc conjecture by applying kind of profound man-made reasoning helped specialized examination on the by and large past value information of land sort of exemplary amazingly. We in every practical sense, give a valiant effort to gather most extreme verifiable information for the Lunc coin which explicitly incorporate essentially different boundaries like past value, land exemplary market cap, land sort of exemplary volume and barely any more. Assuming you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money and in a real sense need great profit from extremely your speculations, for the most part try to peruse our expectations without a doubt. Land exemplary value expectation 2023 according to the conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the cost of land exemplary really is truly anticipated to reach at an extremely least degree of $0.00016589. The Lunc cost can arrive at and in every practical sense, greatest degree of $0.00018512 with a really normal exchanging cost of $0.00017088, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Land certainly exemplary value expectation 2024 as per a profound specialized examination on past value information of Lunc. In 2024 the cost of land exemplary is gauged to explicitly be at around a genuinely least worth of $0.00025127, which especially is genuinely critical. The land pretty exemplary value worth can arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0.00029136 with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $0.00025811 in USD, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Lunc value gauge for 2025. The cost of land in every practical sense, exemplary is for the most part anticipated to fundamentally reach at the very least worth of $0.00034693 in 2025. The land exemplary cost could basically arrive at a greatest worth of $0.00044086 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.00035725 all through 2025. Incredibly. Land exemplary, LUNC, value forecast 2026. The cost of land sort of exemplary is anticipated to reach at a fundamentally least worth of $0.00048024 in 2026 in a kind of huge manner. The land really exemplary cost could generally arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.00058969 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.00049453 all through 2026. Land exemplary value expectation 2027. The cost of land genuinely exemplary essentially is fundamentally anticipated to in a real sense reach at and in every way that really matters, least degree of $0.00070075 in 2027. The land exemplary cost can arrive at a really greatest degree of $0.00083823 with the typical cost of $0.00072547 all through 2027. Which by and large is genuinely critical. In a significant manner. Land exemplary value expectation 2028. According to the estimate in specialized examination, in 2028 the cost of land exemplary is supposed to reach at a truly least value worth of $0.001 in a huge manner. The Lunc cost can really arrive at a greatest value worth of $0.001 with the typical worth of $0.001. Land pretty work of art, LUNC. Value forecast 2029. The cost of one land sort of exemplary is supposed to reach at a really least degree of $0.001 in 2029. The Lunc cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.002 with the in every practical sense, normal cost of $0.001 all through 2029 in an unpretentious manner. In a significant manner. Land exemplary value gauge 2030. Land exemplary cost truly is estimate to arrive at least by and large conceivable degree of $0.002 in 2030. According to our discoveries, the Lunc cost could generally arrive at a truly most extreme conceivable degree of $0.002 with the typical estimate cost of $0.002. Land exceptionally exemplary, LUNC. Value expectation 2031. Land commonly exemplary cost is figured to explicitly arrive at a barely the most minimal conceivable degree of $0.003 in 2031. According to our discoveries, the Lunc cost could arrive at an essentially most extreme conceivable degree of $0.004 with the typical gauge cost of $0.003. Land exemplary value expectation 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Lunc, in 2032 the cost of land truly exemplary is basically anticipated to in every practical sense, reach at a truly least degree of $0.004. The Lunc cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.005 with the typical exchanging cost of $0.005. What is the eventual fate of land exemplary? The fate of land exemplary truly is exceptionally